Welcome to the Sonata Music server demo. The main menu. This is the screen you'll see when you start up the application. When you use a touchscreen device or a tablet PC, the menus are big enough for your fingertip, but you can also use a large flat screen TV as a display. As you can see, the menus are few and very intuitive. First, you'd go to the Settings button and select your language. The Sonata server currently supports up to 9 languages. Ripping. The first thing we'll have to do is to load the music onto the server. There are 5 ways you can do this. The first and most common method is to rip your CD collection yourself. The automatic ripper included in the application will help you get the job done. Just insert your CD in the disk drive and press Rip CD. In a few minutes you'll be done. Then insert a new CD and so on until you've ripped your entire CD collection. The second way would be to use a robot that can rip up to 100 CDs automatically for you. The third, you can hire a ripping service to do the ripping for you. This way you'll get it done quickly and with perfect metadata. We can recommend a ripping service in many countries to assist you. Just have a look at the Partners section. The fourth, if you already have your music in a digital format on your PC, on an external hard drive, or on a network-attached storage device. Finally, you can also copy the music from an external device into the internal hard drive of your Sonata music server using the Music Copy feature. But, fortunately for you, the Sonata music server comes with preloaded complementary music from various labels. So you can immediately enjoy it after the program is installed on your computer and you have downloaded the music files. Views and playback. Before playing any music, you should select the way you want to view your collection. Thanks to the 19 fields database support, the Sonata offers you some unique and flexible viewing options. The most common view is the genres by artists. Here you can see some typical music genres duly sorted. But if you're a classical music lover, we've got something unique for you. The Sonata is the only music server able to sort and display classical music by your preferred criteria. Let's see some examples. The Composer view shows you the composers sorted alphabetically by name, for example Bach. You can also select your music by period. The classical music has been divided into 7 periods in order that you can quickly find music from each period. For instance, Baroque. The Style view is another unique feature. The menu Instrument allows you to select music by the most typical classical music instruments. Let's see how to select piano music. Finally, I'll show how a more complex selection is possible. Let's see how to find a piano concertos from the Romantic periods. Nice, isn't it? These extended fields can also be used for any musical genre to sort your music as you wish. Information on the music being played. Complete information about the music being played, such as the name of the tracks, the metadata of the album or the audio format, is available at a simple click or tap. Furthermore, the Sonata will show you in the background a slideshow composed of nice pictures related to the composer, artist, or the album. Zones. The submenu bar below the main menu bar shows you the typical remote control operations, but you will also find the zones menus to select in which zone you want to play the music in. Up to 4 simultaneous zones are possible, so the server music content can be shared by your whole family. With the optional iSonata software for the iPhone and the BitWeb Plus software installed on any networked PC, you can remotely control and select the music to be listened to in each zone. Search feature. Even though the unique views menus allow you to filter by any metadata field, you can take a shortcut and use the search feature in the main menu to make intelligent searches such as works of a specific composer. Let's see how. We'll search string quartets by Beethoven. As you can see, the Sonata search engine has found an album that meets the selection criteria. Playlists. You can create your own preferred playlists at wish, fast and easily, and save them for future listening. Let's see how we can create a jazz music playlist. We select the jazz genre, then we pick the first album. And we added it. We now go back to the jazz albums view, and we pick the second album, and again we added it. We repeat the process, and we finally add the third album. Now we go to the Playing Now menu, and then to List, and we will see all the albums selected by tracks. Then we go to the menu Save as Playlist,
not like they used to shine.
And a new screen will pop up with an on-screen multi-language keyboard to type the name, as example, Jazz 1 of the playlist, and finally we click or tap on Save. Now you can see the playlist Jazz 1 in the playlist menu. The Sonata also automatically creates useful playlists such as the top hits or recently imported. On-screen tagging tool. The Sonata's tagging tool is one of its most useful and powerful features, as it will help you easily input or edit the tags of the 19 fields available. Let's see how we can correct a metadata error. In this case, Ella Fitzgerald's name is misspelt, so the artist name is wrong. We select the album or track affected. We right-click or tap on the album cover. A pop-up menu shows up, and we select the Tag menu. We select the tag we wish to correct, in this case the artist name. A new pop-up will show us the on-screen keyboard, and then we can proceed to make the change and save it. Videos and pictures. Last but not least, the Sonata server is also a media center, so you can also use it to organize and view your videos and pictures. To view your videos, just go to the main menu and select the video menu, then just pick the video you want to see. And finally, you can also view your pictures, selecting Pictures in the main menu. Thanks for watching the demo. For further information, check out the product description on this website.